Hi, I'm Nick Pearce. I'm the director and founder of Alexander Daniels Global, and today I'm just going to tell you a little bit about why I do what I do and how we set up Alexander Daniels Global. So why did I get into additive manufacturing? Well, I've been in recruitment for 14 years and I spent the first 10 years recruiting accountants. Not that that wasn't exciting, but I came across the story of an individual in the UK, a guy called Stephen Power. It was run by the BBC, and basically Stephen had had a motorbike accident. He'd severely disfigured his face, and the story told how, first of all, 3D printing was used to create a mould on which the surgeons could practice, and then secondly, 3D printing was used to create cheekbones that were then implanted into his face. So fascinated by this was I that I decided to start researching the industry as a whole alongside my colleague now, Juan Miguel. And what we identified over a period of 9 months that this was an industry that was growing rapidly, over 30% year-on-year growth, but it had a lot of challenges. The technology itself was a challenge, the speed, the repeatability, the quality, the availability of materials, the cost were all challenges. But after 9 months worth of research, the major challenge that the industry faced was skills. So we set Alexander Daniels Global up with a really clear vision. We believed that additive manufacturing or 3D printing is going to change people's lives, and we wanted to be a part of that. So we brought together a group of passionate people, enthusiastic about technology, around a clear mission, and that was to enable this revolution that was taking place in additive and advanced manufacturing through talent. And that's when Alexander Daniels Global was born 3.5 years ago now.